Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you fuse box location on this Jeep. So to open the hood, it's the latches in the front. So to open the hood, there's these latches right here. You just pop it, just like this. And one on this side. That's gonna lift. And there's your, and to put it on the stick, just grab this from this side. And it goes right here. The first one I'm going to show you, it's going to be under the hood, which is right here. You just click here, here, and that comes up. And there's your fuses right here. And that's the location. So to close it, you just push it, make sure they click, and that's closed. To close the hood, lower this. And just like this, sure latches. Take this latch, go like this, and then same thing on this side. So on this Jeep, I found only one fuse box location. If you know more, comment below. But also, if you want OBD port location, it's under the steering wheel. And it's right there. It's more on the side. If you need to plug in the computer or a scanner or for DQ. Also, if you want to know the tire pressure, it's usually on the door. Right in here. So that'll be it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any questions, comment below or feedbacks. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.